this is Grace Power, and today I wanted to demonstrate and tell everybody about a new product, a lash applicator tool that is great for the 1-2 lash, the 3-second lash, or anything that's similar to that has a 1 magnet on it, or even 2 magnet ones, or like a 3/4 lash, but not the full eye. It doesn't work as good on the full eye all the way across, although you can get it to work on certain types of lashes, but definitely the best on the 1 and 2 magnets, just because it's only 3/4 inches across the top. So that's all you have to work with the curvature. So I want to demonstrate the 1 magnet eyelash and kind of how you would use it and, you know, get it properly placed. So first off, you want to put the lashes pointing down so that when you go to put it on, the lashes are away from your eye. And then get them situated on the applicator so the magnets are above each other. And then determine, if you haven't already, which eye that this is going to go on, which for me it's going to go on this eye. It's a little bit shorter on this side and a little longer on this side with the lash length. I'm going to use a mirror here just to be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to bring it up to my eye and get it in place underneath first. That's what I found works the best. And then I just tweeze them together and just make sure that they're gripping there. And then just pull the tool away and you have your lash applied. And I think these lashes are decent. They're not as good as the full length lash lit, you know, that we put, but if this is the kind of lash that you have, these work really good, and they're just really fast. Like you can see, you know, it takes a little time getting them on the applicator and then putting them on, but much easier than trying to use your big fingers, or if you have false nails or things like that, and trying to get them up on your eye perfectly. So that is nice. I mean, I might be able to, from like a distance it looks good. Up close it looks like I should go out just a little bit more towards the edge, but basically you get the idea of how quick and easy that is to put on. Now I want to demonstrate the 2 magnet eyelash in case you have a variety that has 2 magnets on it. What's great about this tool is it has a curve. So with the 2 magnet one, you have a little bit of a curve to your lashes. And with the curvature of the applicator, you can get it much better and tighter up along your eyeline than trying to do it with your fingers. So the first thing I'm doing is getting them set in place. And again, you want the lashes pointing down away from your eye, and then just kind of following the curvature of that tip. And then determine, like I'm looking at it, determining which eye this goes on, and it is for this eye because it's a little bit shorter on the inside. So I'm going to bring the mirror up again just so I can see what I'm doing. Try to get the lower one in place where I want it, and then just tweeze down that top and pull away. And it's pinching just a little bit of the skin of the eyelid, so I'm just pulling it down, but that just shows how tight of a fit you can get it with this applicator. And then just pull away, and there you go, all set. So really easy to use. When you first get it, you might be kind of fumbling around a little bit, but just watch this video again and again if you need to, and see me demonstrate it. And another important thing is to make sure you have the magnets pointing set in the direction that they're going to attract. If you have one of the lashes flip-flopped, they're going to repel, and you're going to be so frustrated because you're going to keep trying to put them on and they're not going to stick. So if you're having that issue, double check, make sure that you have them set in the correct position to magnetize together. And I've noticed that different brands and different lash styles have the magnets different. Some of them have the magnets on the outside of the lashes, some of them have them on the inside of the lashes, and like the first ones I demonstrated have the magnet one on the middle and one on the other, one on one side. So you kind of have to pay attention, because if you flip it up the wrong way, then it's not going to work. So you can get these right now on Amazon. They are available for Prime shipping, so for Prime members you can have them in a couple days, which is awesome. We did sell out twice so far, but there are some in stock right now, and they are light pink, the ones that are available. I'm getting ready to ship this magenta style, and I'm also going to be shipping purple. So if you have a preference in color, there's some color options. So stay tuned with me for future videos, and also give me feedback. Let me know if you like this tool, if it's working, if it speeds up your application, etc., etc. And I will look out for that. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.